911, what is your emergency?
The terrorist attack has unfolded in Westfield Galleria at Roseville Mall. Ground floor. I'm hiding in a fitting room in St. Laurent. Please help me.
Ma'am, please calm down. I will inform the military command and law enforcement to put a quell to several terrorists. Is it in the whole mall of Westfield Roseville?
Actually, yes. Ground floor first, then later, the rest of the following floors will be under attack. Please send law enforcement and military now. I need rescue. Just help me.
Just hold on to it. Don't worry too much. Lower down your tone. The military and police are on their way in 4 minutes. Just stay calm.
What makes Longhorn's steak so legendary? Some say it's our flavor-packed signature seasonings. Some say it's how we pair them with our juicy, tender steaks. And some just say, Hurry in tonight for Longhorn's legendary flavors. Our new limited-time blackened salmon with our smoky 18-ounce outlaw ribeye and our rich and savory flows filet. That's how steak is done. Longhorn Steakhouse. You can't fake steak.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Roseville Police Department. This is a local area emergency for the city of Roseville. At 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a 911 call was made inside the Westfield Galleria at Roseville Mall, announcing that the 30 armed individuals entered, opened fire, and took hostages. If you are in the vicinity of the ground floor, which is affected by the terrorist attack, stay inside the shop and wait for more instructions or evacuate via your car in the car park. If you are on the road, please avoid Roseville and return to your home or drive to another area like Sacramento City. If you are at home or in near Roseville, please follow these instructions. First, you should stay indoors. For your safety, it is effectively advised that all residents of Roseville remain indoors until further notice with windows and doors concealed. Second, avoid unimportant travel and never venture outside unless absolutely necessary. And third, under no circumstances, never approach or engage with Westfield Galleria at Roseville Mall. If you decide to disobey these instructions, you will put yourself, your family, or friends' safety at risk. If you have any news on the situation, please call 911, and the information will be handed to the police. Further updates will be issued as the event unfolds. Information will be available on the KCRA TV channels, radio stations, mobile alerts, and announcements through official government websites, and be wary of false information spread via fake news sites. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates. Be calm, vigilant, and safe. Normal programming may now resume.
Chow King beef wonton noodles. That beefy goodness. Hot. Comforting. Delicious. Chow King beef
This is an update from the Roseville Police Department regarding the hostage situation and unprovoked fatalities in Westfield Galleria at Roseville Shopping Centre. The law enforcement and the National Guard have made contact with the terrorists. They are confirmed to be the members of Al-Qaeda and in possession of a large nuclear bomb. However, this could be unconfirmed. When the police and National Guard troops have entered the center, the bomb will be set off. If you are still in the vicinity of the incident in the ground floor, please evacuate now. If you are at home, please also evacuate now and try to stay calm. At this time, the nuclear bomb is once again unconfirmed. Further updates will be issued as this event unfolds. Information will be available on the KCRA TV channels, radio stations, mobile alerts, and announcements through official government websites, and be wary of the false information spread via fake news sites. Remain vigilant and stay safe at all costs.
Beef wonton noodles.
Imagine a brighter world. A deeper sound.
He despertado, encadenado. Oh, vela, chao, 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 chao. La tierra mía me la han robado y han incendiado mi país. Abran sus ojos, hay un tirano. Oh, vela, chao, chao, chao. Ese tirano desde su torre nuestras cadenas ha de ver. El movimiento.
This is an update from the National Guard and the Roseville Police Department regarding the hostage situation and unprovoked slaughtering within Westfield Galleria at Roseville Shopping Centre. A gas attack containing the brutal hydrogen sulfide has unfolded in the Cinemark cinemas. It has already killed more people within the center and around it. According to the CDC, hydrogen sulfide irritates the throat, nose, and eyes when exposure is minimal. Moderate levels may cause headaches, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and coughing in addition to breathing difficulties and coughing. Elevations can result in death, coma, shock, and convulsions. The gas is blowing west towards the shops and restaurants near the affected mall. All residents in Roseville and its nearby cities are advised to deactivate air conditioners and heaters and lock and close all vents to prevent gas from entering the location. If you live west near the affected area, never go outside. Stay inside until all situation are cleared. Don't call 911 at this time unless you have a life-threatening emergency. Further updates will be issued as the event unfolds. This is KFBK, continuing to serve in Sacramento City area. If you aren't living in this local area, tune now to this station to provide news and information on your local area. You are now listening to the emergency alert system serving the Sacramento City area. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.
El movimiento de libertad. Oh, vela, chao, chao, chao. Es para todos, es un gran fuego que nuestra isla salvará. Juntos peleamos, solo morimos. Oh, vela, chao.
At Olive Garden, we think you should get more for less, especially when it comes to your favorites. So with Create Your Own Pasta, you choose your perfect combination of pasta and made-from-scratch sauce. And it comes with round after round of our never-ending homemade soup or garden fresh salad and buttery breadsticks, all starting at just $12.99. Because nothing
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Capitol under the orders of the White House. This is not a test. This is a nuclear attack warning for the Sacramento Metropolitan Area, due to the potential threat of a nuclear bomb located in the second floor of Macy's department store within Westfield Galleria at Roseville Shopping Centre that would destroy Sacramento Metropolitan Area. Evacuations are taking place in all of Roseville and the rest of the counties. This nuclear bomb will set off in 10 minutes. At this time, be ready with non-perishable food and water that would last until 14 days, a battery-powered radio for updates and survival instructions, clothing, medical and hygiene supplies, a flashlight, and a change of batteries. Rush immediately to the nearest emergency shelter. To ensure that you need to listen to the emergency information and the all-clear signal, Gavin Newsom, the governor of California, has been moved to an undisclosed location. Emergency shelters are now open across the Sacramento metropolitan area. These locations are now sent via SMS. Before rushing into an emergency shelter, make sure that gas, fuel and other fuel supplies are deactivated. This will prevent fires from breaking out after the impact and the explosion. Be prepared for the 4 effects of the nuclear explosion, such as extreme heat, extreme light, shockwave blast, and fallout. If that happens, radiation and firestorms will appear, however, couldn't be stopped. If you look at the extreme light, your eyes will be permanently blind. To get away from the shockwave blast, cover your ears and keep calmly quiet. It is essential for you to do this. Communicate with other people on how to do this to ensure your survival. Fallout may be deadly, so be prepared to wear a gas mask for protection. If not, you will suffocate to death. Don't forget your essential supplies with you. Panic cannot help you in survival. We will continue to update you when this event unfolds. Information will be said in all TV channels and radio stations across Sacramento metropolitan area. Remain vigilant and stay safe at all costs.
Because nothing says more like getting all your favorites for less.
A few moments later.
The following administrative message is transmitted at the request of the California State Government, in conjunction with the Roseville Police Department, SWAT teams, and National Guard. All clear. At around 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a nuclear bomb, which tends to destroy Sacramento metropolitan area in 10 minutes, has been averted, thanks to the bravery of the heroes. The mall is deemed violence-free. However, police and the CEO of Westfield Corporation said that the Westfield Galleria at Roseville Shopping Centre will be closed until everything in the mall has been fixed. It will open again tomorrow or the next few days. You may now leave your shelter. However, due to the gas unfolded in the Cinemark that passed by shops and restaurants near the mall a few hours ago, you are advised to bring and wear a gas mask. Your California State Government thanks you for your cooperation. We may now return to our normal programming.